Hello and welcome back everybody to another great episode of the Geek Tech Show. In today's video, we are checking out the Timberland shoes. This is the Garrison Trail waterproof made hiker black and brown additional version with my favorite color theme to it. Alright. This smells good. It smells like Timberlands. I hate those things. Oh, they're making it harder and harder every day to get them out. This one is like stuck all the way in here. Woohoo! I don't know why they did this. Great packing material too. It shows you get them fresh right there. Didn't even try them on before I start the review. Well, actually I did, but so here it is. I love the new color theme to this. The whole thing just screams like a buy right there. 1-inch platforms over here. And let's do a few tests with this. It's like almost impossible to bend. It's kind of good. We have the ropes over here on the sides. Ooh, look at that. Orange theme going throughout the laces. It's okay. It is waterproof version. The styling is kind of cool. I like the styling. The weight of them. One thing I dislike is this thing. This is just weird. Right on the bottoms. Thankfully it's on the bottom so you can't actually see this. I don't know, maybe for you guys it'd be like a cool thing, but for me I don't really dig this thing. And it's just a fancy looking footprint to this. And you know this is authentic Timberland by this green thing right on the bottom. How do I know it's authentic? I got it from Timberlands. But you can get this super discount sometimes on Amazon too. This is the Timberland dry system in here. And inside of this. Oh yeah. Great for slapping people. Cool yourself off in the summer. It's like orange theme. But the good thing is if you want to put your own things in here, you can. This is good because not all shoes actually let you do this. And now let's inspect this up close and personal and see how this actually looks like. So up close and personal, you can see all the great details of those shoes. You can see that they're really fancy looking, much better in person than they saw in the picture. Ropes over here, out here. Design itself, there is not too much leather over here, and the leather feels like to be man-made. It does not feel to be authentic leather, otherwise known as PU, which is man-made leather. The styling is kind of cool, but I don't think I dig that there was just not enough leather here. What I do dig is there was a lot of vents all around the shoe, so if you need this, it's gonna really help you with hiking. It does have this for you to raise your feet up by the bootstraps. And the only way to really tell if this is any good is to put this on my feet and give this a go. So there we go, put them on the feet. And the shoes themselves, they feel actually great. I like the way they actually feel. They're very comfortable inside. they do run a little bit, I think, higher than they should. So if you're a size 9, you can get half a size down actually, and it's going to feel good. Now, although it's going to be a good idea for you to do so, I don't necessarily suggest for you to do it, because if you're going to be wearing and going hiking, you might actually need extra pair of socks. And because of that, maybe get it choose to size. Now, let's go ahead and do a few tests with this. Flexibility is pretty good. Okay. Big test is if you jump, do they have good traction to them? So let's go ahead and test that out. Pretty decent actually. I didn't feel any shocks in my feet when I did this. The shoes themselves, they look pretty good. I like the military kind of style to them. And they're kind of cool looking in some ways. I like that they're very comfortable, and like other Timberlands, they feel pretty good actually. Not only that, they're waterproof and they feel pretty vented inside. I don't feel too cold or too hot in them whatsoever. I do think that if you're going for style, and you get those on sale, this is actually a pretty good deal. The really downside in here is pretty much the laces themselves. This is single tie, not double tie, so hopefully it does not unlace itself. Other than that, pretty decent looking shoes, pretty cool looking, and out of 10 styles, I would give it probably a 9, because they're not really that true to size. I wish it was actually real leather all around. Does not feel like actual real leather most of this thing, and I think this is the only real leather right around here. Other than that, great looking shoes. Recommend for you to get. Unlike most Timberlands, which I actually dislike, this one is pretty decent, and it's pretty cool looking as well. If you did enjoy the show, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Lots of other cool videos coming very soon.